Hi, today I'd like to show you how to play La Bamba. I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. It's actually, in one level, a very simple song, but it's very syncopated, so timing is really important. I'll start off with the riff. So it starts off on the low G string, and it goes 0, 2, 4, 5. Like that. And there's, right from the beginning, you might as well realize that there's a count to it. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. So that's a C note, 5th fret. That's the key we're in. And it's your accent note. Like that. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Okay, carrying on from there, once you've hit the 1, then 2 on the middle string, open on the middle string, 3 on the middle string, 2 on the high string, and then open on the high string. And there's a count to that too, so we know this is 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now I'm talking about the beats, not the frets. If you're looking at my fingers and going, oh, that's not a 4, that's a 2. You're right, it's the 2nd fret, but it's the 4th beat. So it sounds like this. I'll play it slow. And then there's a lick to finish it. And this starts on an and, so it's a downbeat, 1, and then 0, 4. So and 2 on the low string, and then the middle string, and 3, 3, that's an and, 4, open. So it's actually very steady. So it's 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and like that. Okay? Now, it only does this to start the song. After that, when you do this lick, you go back to the 1. Now I'll have the count all written out in the tab, and the best thing to do is go really, really slow and make sure you get it right, because the phrasing of the song is really and truly what it's all about. The chords are really quite simple. The chords are C, F, and G. C, 5, 5, 5. Now you can do F up here and then open for G. But I'm going to suggest that you do F here. 5, 3, 5. And G here, 7, 5, 7. So that it's all together, because I think it sounds a little bit better, but this is another syncopated thing. So you start off with the C chord, 1, 2, go to the F chord, 3 and 4, and then what you do is move up to the G, 7, 5, 7, and get that on the and. And then staying there, your hand goes down again. That's the 1 beat, you're not going to hear anything, and then you go up, down, up, down, up. I know that sounds crazy. That's called a push measure, or an anticipation, because the G chord comes in early. If it didn't come in early, the song would sound like this. Or at best. And that just doesn't work. You need to push that G in early. So C, C, that's 1, 2, F is on 3 and 4, and then when your hand comes back up, you move this up at the same time. And after that, it doesn't have to be perfect, but basically it's and 2 and 4 and. So, once again, the count is spread out in the tab there, and if you just do it really, really slow, it'll feel awkward, but as you speed it up, you'll hear the song appear. I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.